Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly talk about how to use minions in Super Snail. So let's get into the video. So in Super Snail, as you may know, minions are unique entities associated with your partners. So minions can help you during battles and provide various benefits based on their number in your troop formation. So once a partner is at 3 hearts, then what happens is that they will move into a room with their unique minions. So they will, as you know, minions associated with the partner. So these minions can be used during the co-dispatch and can fight in the divinity domains in teams. Each partner has a gene specification, so as the minions, and this specification will relate to various skills which will be useful for you in battles. So these minions can actually boost your troop statistics based on how many certain minion types they are in the troop formation, so which is very useful for you in battles. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.